Sometimes we think we have to be perfect to be accepted by God. But the truth is, He meets us right in our weakness. Salvation isn't something we earn, it's a gift we receive. And when His love truly finds us, it doesn't stop with us, it overflows. Today is not just about being saved, it's about living out that love and giving it away to others. I tried to run away from you, tried to hide from your eyes, build my life on my own ways, didn't know where it would lead. But even then I felt your grace calling out my name, like a father who won't give up. You came and rescued me. Come on. I was carrying guilt and pain, scars deep in my heart, but your cross spoke louder still, brought me life out of the dark. Your forgiveness covered me, it gave me a brand new start. Now I know that I've been found by your saving love. Nothing can separate me now from the love I found in you. Now my eyes are open wide to the life I'm made to live. Your salvation found me when I had no way out. Your love came running and broke every doubt. Now I'm living to love the way you loved me first. Your love alive in me is reaching the world. I see brokenness around, so many hearts in need, voices crying out for hope, for a little mercy. If your love has rescued me, I can't stay silent now. This love that set me free, I will pour it out. Make me an instrument of your grace and your truth. Where there's darkness in this world, let your light shine through. Your salvation found me when I had no way out. Your love came running and broke every doubt. Now I'm living to love the way you loved me first. Your love alive in me is reaching the world. Use my life, oh God, I surrender everything. Let me be your hands, let me live your purpose here. If someone falls, I'll lift them up. If someone cries, I'll hold them close. 'Cause the love you placed in me was never meant to stay close. I was saved to love, I was free deserve. Everything you gave to me, I will give to the world. Your grace has found my heart.